Good evening, sir.
Good evening, students. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have doubt in finding the domain, the range using number line, sir.
When we did that sum?
Sir, our school teacher is giving few extra questions to find domain and range. Sir, in few questions we can use your method, but in few of them they don't work.
I know. I will teach range. I have not completed it. I will teach it. But you can say one or two sums. I will teach range. Means that was NCERT na, so I didn't taught in detail. Again, I will teach. Like I am teaching domain today. Shall we do domain or shall I do your sum?
Anything is fine, sir, but if it's clear, it's better.
Range it will take time. Is tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll teach range.
Sir, or else can you just do for one sum?
Tell me.
Y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square.
This girl, what is your name, student?
Risha.
Tell Riksha na, Risha.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
y is equal to
1 by 1 minus x square.
1 minus x square. Okay. We have to find, what we have to find?
Sir, only range. I found the domain.
Okay, we have to find only range. Actually, this type of sum I have done before also in trigonometry, but I'll do. What you do, student, all of you pay attention. This sum is meant for all of you. Here we are finding range, and I will also teach you more sums on in which we have to find range, because I did only sums which are based on NCERT. So I will teach you in detail. Don't worry. Find range. Cross multiply, student. Cross multiply. After cross multiplying, what is your right?
Y minus yx square is equal to 1.
Other people also can give answers now, boys. So is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Take everything on the left hand side. What I can write? Minus x square y plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. If anybody has doubt, ask me. Multiply both side by minus 1. Multiply both side by minus 1. So what I should write? Tell fast. I don't have time.
X square y minus y plus
minus
1.
Y. Student, what is x here?
Equation, sir.
X is?
X acts as a constant
X is what?
over there.
X is what?
Oh, sorry.
Real number?
All real numbers except 1 and minus 1.
Very good. Domain also. X is, that's why to find range, most of the time we have to find domain also for finding range. Here domain is all real number, but don't want 1 and minus 1. So what happened? X is real. When X is real, so what about discriminant?
So that's
Greater than
or equal to 0.
X is real, therefore discriminant is greater than equal to 0. What is discriminant, student? This is a quadratic equation in X. So you tell me A, B, C and tell the discriminant.
So B is
square minus 4ac.
But it is not like quadratic, na student. I'm doing something wrong here. Quadratic only, but here X X don't have power 1. That's the problem. X don't have power 1, na?
Sir, but minus y plus 1 is a constant, right?
So we can say b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. B is not there here. Can you find b here?
No.
Sir,
X term is not there. B is not there. So 0 square minus 4a. A how much? What is
X square.
Y.
And what is c?
Oh, yeah.
What is c?
Minus y plus 1.
5 plus 1 greater than equal to 0. So don't copy this. I will do in another way. So what happened now? Minus 4, open the bracket or don't open the bracket. Something is wrong somewhere.
So it will become plus if you open the bracket.
Minus 4ac na? Something wrong. Correct now. Open the bracket. Okay.
Plus 4y square.
Minus 4y.
Yeah, so it is okay. So this way we can do. Otherwise, what we can do, what I was doing is correctly only, but before, without that also we can do now. So what we will write now, what we will write x, that way also absolutely correct. What we can write, x square is equal to, take everything except x on the right side. So what I can write, 1 minus y by y. See here, 1 will go y minus 1 by y, plus 1 will go that side, minus y will go y, and into will become divide. Now what about x square? X square is always
greater than or
x
equal
square
to
is
0.
greater than equal to 0. When left hand side is greater than equal to 0, what about right hand side?
Same condition, sir.
Same condition. That day I taught you in short, not detail. If you say I will teach in detail also. Wavy curve method. What are the roots in the numerator? Roots what?
1.
1,
Denominator? 0.
0.
0.
Draw number line. This is 0, this is 1. Put a number more
Sir,
than 1.
y cannot be 0, no?
Is okay. I will not take 0. I will not consider, but to get the, I will put open bracket at 0. So put a number more than 1. What you will get, positive or negative in numerator?
Sir, positive.
Positive means start from upwards. So now tell me what I want. Greater than equal to 0. Where is the curve above x-axis? Which is the interval? When is the curve above x-axis? That is only greater than equal to 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Minus infinity to 0. 0 we cannot take. As you told, so open bracket, 1 we can take. So 1 to infinity. Is this the answer, student?
Yes, sir.
This way we have to do. See, there is no specific method to find range. No specific method. There are many methods. It depends on question to question. I will teach all the methods. Don't worry. The problem is I didn't taught you how to find range.
Sir, can you teach the last step once more?
Yes, sir. Even I didn't understand. The line.
Yeah, sir, teach the roots also. I didn't even understand the roots.
That day you told I know Wavy curve method.
Who, me, sir?
Some student told now.
Sure.
See,
you only taught.
So this Wavy curve method also I have not taught you. That's why it is not your fault or my fault that you're not understanding. I will teach you this method also. Usually this method we teach in quadratic equation. I have not taught in detail. So that's why I'm not understanding. I'll teach you. Don't worry. Copy down meanwhile.
Sir, we have learned using number line, but I don't exactly.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Our teacher taught us like we try taking numbers between infinity and 0. Then minus infinity and minus 1.
Yes,
and then
sir. I didn't really understand that method.
Because that is lengthy method. This Wavy curve is very simple method. That's why you have to follow this method.
Sir, could you at least briefly explain?
I will explain.
So how did you get root as 0?
That's why I came here now. I will explain. Copy down.
So, sir, I'm asking how did you get root as 0?
I will explain now.
Okay, you'll explain.
Sir, sir, you gave yesterday that you can't write a function like xy is equal to sine x plus y. No,
that is which function you're saying?
Yes, sir. In function.
Student, write down. I will teach now. So, student, what happened here? What happened here? See, if I write like this way, f of x is equal to x to power x, or f of x is equal to sine x to power x, function to power function. This type of function don't come under any classification. It is not what you say, algebraic function. It is not algebraic function. Have you understood?
I'm talking about implicit functions, sir.
Not this function.
Sir, not these.
Now you asked this also now whether it is algebraic or not.
Sir, no, sir.
You asked, somebody asked algebraic or not algebraic. I told it is not algebraic, but I will confirm. So it is not algebraic. Now what is your doubt? Tell me.
Sir, you said once that you gave an example of implicit function x sine x plus y.
I understood. Then what is your doubt?
Sir, I tried that, sir, using complex methods. I somehow came up, sir, but due to one single term, everything went wrong, sir.
It is not possible, student, to express y in terms of x, because that is proven fact now. That's why it is called implicit. You cannot express y in terms of x. Now what you want from me? Some help you want?
Sir, I just wanted to confirm that you can't.
It is not possible. I told the other day also, it is not possible. Here, okay, Wavy curve, leave it. Other thing, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
I came here to teach something else. Shall I teach Wavy curve only?
if possible, sir, because we
Okay,
have
I'll
a homework related to domain and range, which we need to submit
so
by
Vevika will
Friday.
teach.
So could you teach domain? Like I don't know the domain.
One thing I can teach now. So like I came to teach domain only today.
So, or else you teach domain, sir. Tomorrow,
teach-
probably you can teach range.
I'll
No
teach
problem.
domain fast, then I'll teach Vevika.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Write down some sums. Some sums write down, don't ask doubt. No, means in the sum, I'll tell when to ask. First sum, question is find the domain. Question is find the domain. You remember one day I told you the people will struggle to find domain and range. Some of you may remember I told. 1 by
The
log.
NCRT sums are easy, but
NCRT sums
extra
are,
questions are
nobody will ask that sums. This is the first sum. Its answer is -2, 0 union 0,
Sir,
1.
Is it
So could you
homework?
start with basics? Like
Basics only.
so directly you give
Log.
log question, how will we do, sir?
I will
Yes,
do now.
sir.
So log questions will come in board level, no, right?
But let us study this one. I will do this sum, student, not you.
Sir, could you please start with some easier sums?
Yes, sir. Like still, even if we start with that first, we should know like how to do simple sums. No.
Did I not
Then
teach you
only-
NCRT simple sums?
Sir, those
NCRT
are
can
very
be done
simple.
self also, like we can do it by
Moderate.
Sir,
you want?
moderate. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so write down, don't waste time. I'll erase the board. I'll do moderate only, but write down this one. No time, write fast. Something ulta pulta I wrote, so is okay. Log. As soon as I will complete the board, I will erase the board. Write fast.
Sir, what is sir, could you say the answer of the third one?
Union and belong integer n pi comma n pi plus pi by 4. I integer. Union. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, instead of writing that, we can write n pi union with n pi plus pi by 4.
Union you want to put inside?
Yes, sir.
No, that way we not do. Don't worry, all of you will understand. I will erase the first two sums.
So is there no fx in the fourth question?
Miss, this is fx only. This is equal to f of x. It is okay. This much, just find the domain of this. It is fx. Miss, if f of x is not written, miss, assume this is only f of x.
Sir,
Yes.
can we do the out of these sums first the sums which don't include log, and then come to the log questions if that's possible?
Possible. Anything is possible. The other day I taught you log. Did you not understand log?
No, sir. We just want to go from basics to complicated questions.
So you only think if we don't know how to do basics only properly, how will we do tough sums?
What is your name?
Could you once teach the concept of finding the domain? Like I don't know that.
Did I not teach you how to find domain? We have
Could you?
we have studied in trigonometry also how to find domain.
No, but that's like different and
Same
from what
domain
we are
means
being taught in school.
domain means those values of x for which function is defined.
So we know what is domain, but to find domain of few equations that is given.
Function
So like
na?
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll
So
teach
there
you.
is no general formula to find range or domain.
Domain, it is there now. Find the value of x for which function is defined.
No, there's no general way to find out their
No,
values.
you have to check where function is defined, where log function is defined, where modulus function is defined. That's why different type of function is taught now, where greatest integer is defined, where other function are defined. For every function, domain and range is taught to you. Use that knowledge where square root function is defined.
Enough, sir, please.
No, you are copying only now. I will do
Yes,
the
sir.
sums.
We need to even do it right.
I will do. You people have to first learn the domain and range of all the standard functions, which is taught to you. All the function domain and range you have to remember. Based on that only we can find domain and range. Finding domain is easy relatively compared to finding the range. Range, there is no specific method. But then also it is not like impossible. I'll teach you how to find range.
Sir,
Huh?
the questions you're giving right now, are they important for school level?
PU level, but if you do this, PU level questions will become very
School.
easy now.
School.
This type of question they may not ask in PU level, but your concept will become more thorough. If you do little difficult sum, then easy sum, if it comes in PU level, nothing harm in that. Na?
I said school, not PU. I believe they have different things.
Fully, I cannot hear you. Tell again.
So school level, school.
School only, PU level.
Okay.
Maybe this type of sum they may not ask exactly, but if you can do this sum, then if they ask little easier sum, it will be helpful for you only. Na? That sum will be
So
very.
these questions, what you're giving, are they from R.D. Sharma?
Not R.D. Sharma, some other book I have from there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
So how many more are there, sir?
You will not write?
No, sir, we will write. I'm just asking how many more are there.
You are asking?
How many more are there?
2 more.
Okay, got it.
I think 1 more only.
So what was the answer for the 10th one?
Wait, I'll write again 10th one. Let me complete this. This is last sum.
Can you write the 8th one also once more?
Okay. People, move your hand fast.
Sir, you're actually
While writing,
the
you're
board,
in the
so
middle.
we can't see.
Okay. So now demand is 8 sum and 10 sum I should write. 8 sum full I should write.
Yes, so please, if you can, or else I'll ask someone to send me.
Okay, 8 sum and 10 sum full I will write. Don't worry.
So
The 10th
what is the
only answer
13th
is enough.
question?
Tell again. Tell again.
So what is the 13th question given?
13th, f of x is equal to square root x square minus 3x minus 10 ln has power 2 x minus 3. Eighth sum I will rewrite. Eighth sum, don't, other people don't write who have written. Eighth sum. Tenth sum.
So for the 14th one, what is after n belongs, x belongs n?
X greater than equal to 2. X belong natural number and x is greater than equal to 2.
Okay, sir.
Some students are telling that they want first relatively easy sum. So I will teach first relatively easy sum, then we'll come to these sums.
So not very easy also, like NCRT, like moderate sums.
Okay.
So that is x belong natural number x.
X more greater than equal to 2. X greater than equal to 2.
Don't erase, sir. Don't erase, don't erase, don't erase.
10 sum also.
Yes, sir.
So why did you rub that?
Okay. Again I should write. I thought you wrote, that's why I erased. Okay.
No,
eight
sir,
sum.
I was gonna finish the 15th one and then gonna come.
So yesterday you had given few sum set. Could you do one of them? Like I know they are easy, but I don't know the concept.
Which one?
Sir, I would read out an easy question. Solution set of x square minus 1 by x less than 0 is.
Solution set of
X square minus 1 by x less than equal to 0.
Sir, will you be writing down the explaining us the ranges of these questions also?
range, no, only domain.
So ranges of such kind of question will be asked, right?
I will teach range separately.
So while doing range questions, can we just solve these questions for the ranges, like same questions we can solve?
No, I will do separate sums for ranges.
Okay.
Shall I erase the board? Shall I
Yes,
erase the? I'm going to erase the board. Don't worry. Some students are a little more worried. Don't worry. I'll teach you wavy curve method so that you can understand something. Write down little bit of wavy curve method. Wavy curve methods Weaver method or method of interval. Method of interval. I'm teaching you wavy curve method or method of interval. I'll teach slowly only. Consider x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 1 to power p1, x minus alpha 2 to power p2, x minus alpha 3 to power p3. This way it will go. X minus alpha n to power pn by x minus beta 1 to power q1, x minus beta 2 to power q2. We are studying wavy curve method in general. q3, this way it will go, x minus beta n to power qn. Okay, this type of expression is given to us. This type of expression is given to us. I think all of you can see the board. X minus alpha 1 to power p1, x minus alpha 2 to power p2. This way x minus alpha n to power pn, x minus beta 1 to power q1, x minus beta 2 to power q2. This way it is given. And here some inequality is given, like greater than equal to is given or less than equal to is given. Either greater than equal to given or less than equal to given, or only greater than equal to given, means only greater than is given, or less than is given, means equal to is not given. Try to understand. Some inequality will be given. Otherwise inequality means either they will give greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 0 or only greater than 0 or less than 0, any one. So I wrote all four. Greater than or less than 0, any one is given, so all four. Now what you do, first step is what? Find the roots. I think all of you know what is roots. So roots means, see the numerator, when this term will become 0, when the terms will become 0. So term will become 0 when x is what?
Equal to alpha 1.
When this expression will become 0, when roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, this way, alpha n. These are the roots. Second, find the points of discontinuity, means those points where the function is not defined. Continuity. Points of discontinuity, as somebody was telling here, if I put in the place of x beta 1, what will happen? The expression will become infinity. So we said beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta n are points of discontinuity. Beta 1, beta 2, beta n are points of discontinuity. In the numerator, what is there? Those are roots. And in denominator, what are there? Those are points of discontinuity. Find the roots, then find the points of discontinuity. Both you find. People stop writing. Then what you do? Third point. Mark. Don't write. Mark the roots and point of discontinuity on the number line. On number line, both roots and point of discontinuity you have to mark. Same number line. As number line, who is smaller, it will come first. Who is greater will come later. Number line you mark. Then what you do? Take any number. Take any number. Right of the last point, means on the number line you will mark many points. Now you will mark roots, you will mark point of discontinuity, many points are there. So take any number you take right of the last point. Last point will be there on the right side. Right side I'm talking about. Take any point right of the last points last point on the right side. On the right side. Right side, whatever, miss on the extreme left, extreme right, you can say. Take any number right side of the point on extreme left, extreme right, right, whichever point is there. After that, any number you can take. Better to take big number only. Put that number, put that value in the numerator. Put that value in the numerator. So two options, you will get either positive or you will get negative. So put the value in the numerator. Put the same value in the numerator. If answer is positive, then wavy curve. If the curve is like wave, that's why wavy curve. The wavy curve will start from upwards to downward, upward to downward. And one more option is there. Or if answer is negative, answer can be negative also, then wavy curve will start from downward to upward, Only one more point and you will understand, at least notes you will understand.
So what is P1, P2, Q1, Q2?
Power. That one is last point. I told the last point.
Power. Okay.
Suppose sometime powers will be there now. Like one expression I write x minus 3 to power 2, x minus 4 by x minus 1 to power 5. Like this way terms will be there now. So P1, P2 is power. Q1 also power.
Yes.
That time. Okay. That is the thing. That is only the last point. People
So
write
you can
fast.
write the last point below. We can see the word.
Okay, no. Last point I can write below only.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write above only.
So one second. I have a small doubt. 0 to the power 0 is how much?
Not defined.
Okay.
Now 0 to power 0. 0 to power infinite. 0 to power 0. Not defined. We cannot say 0 to power 0 is 1. Not defined. Indeterminate form. Am I right? Hello?
I don't know, sir.
0 to power 0 is not indeterminate. We cannot find. I can prove also. Like, suppose I say 0 to power 0 is some answer x. Suppose x. Take log both sides. So log 0 to power 0 is equal to log x. Where this power 0 will go? Where this power 0 will go?
At the front.
At the front. 0 into log 0 is equal to log x. What is log 0 value? Hey, log 0 now.
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity is equal to log x. Now infinity you can write what, student? 0 into 1 by 0. Hello.
Yes,
Infinity can't you write 1 by 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we got na 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is not defined now.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, what if, suppose I take, this is actually one question.
Okay.
It was like find the domain and range. F of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3.
I will do that.
So should we factorize it and then find the domain?
Then only you can write. See here, everything is factored now. So by this method, you have to factorize.
I mean, should we simplify it and then find the domain, or
no, in same form. Don't cancel it.
Sir, so we
for
cancelled it
range
in the school.
For range, we cancelled it, sir. I don't understand why.
Okay. I'll teach you. Let us do that sum only. So is this over?
Yes, sir.
So I will write the last point. Now what happened? These powers are there now. There are two options of the powers. either they can be odd number or even number. Powers can be odd or even. So last point is, so student, if I write, one of you tell me x minus 1 to power 2 is equal to 0. So what is the root here?
1.
Sir, 1.
1 how many times?
2 times.
So the root is repeated. If I write x minus 1 to power 3, what is the root?
So 3.
1, 1, 1. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
In higher class, we say here the root multiplicity. Multiplicity is 3. Root is repeating 3 times. Same way power is P1. Means alpha 1 is repeating how many times? P1.
P1 times.
P1 times.
So if power is P2, means alpha, this root is repeating so many times. It is not like one root. The same root is repeating. So what happened? The power can be odd or even.
Sir, what if the power is 1 by 2 or something like that? Then we say half or what?
No, here we are taking even number only. Okay, so you have, I think some other doubt you have now, like x minus 1 to power half is equal to what?
0. Consider it to be 0.
But polynomial means it will not be like this one. But what is the answer here? Answer is 1 only.
Sir, 1 only, sir.
1 only. So now what happened? The power can be odd or even. So
what if it's negative?
Here.
Yeah.
Power.
Yeah. Like
power
minus.
is negative, it will come denominator in a student.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it will come like denominator. Okay. If power is negative in denominator, it will go in numerator. So same only. So while drawing wavy curve, if a point means root or point of disconnect. If a point has power even, if a point has power odd, then the curve will cross the point, and if the power is even, and if the point means the root, the point has power even number, then the curve will remain on the same side. This you will understand when I do the sum. Same side, or
Sir, this can be understood by quadratic and cubic.
Will not cross the point. Tell me what you're saying.
Sir, this can be understood by quadratic and cubic polynomial.
Correct. You will understand when I take an example. Wavy curve when you're drawing. So if power is odd means the curve will cross the point and go to the other side. If the power is even means it will not cross. It will remain in the same side. This boy is telling correct. When the roots are repeated, what happened? The curve will remain on the same side. We can do one sum which this girl is asking. Tell me, student, what sum you are saying? You said me little ago.
F of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3.
Suppose this is the sum. Okay, we will do by wavy curve method. People write fast, I will wait for you. Wavy curve method. When you see the wavy curve expression, the expression which we have considered, everything is factorized in factor form. So first condition is write in factor form. Shall I start doing the sum?
Sir, can you give 1 minute?
I will give.
So should we factorize and simplify?
Wait. Is it over, student? Is it over?
1 minute, sir.
While drawing wavy curve, if a point has power odd, then the curve will cross the point, and if the point has power even number, then the curve will remain on the same side or will not cross the point.
Done, sir.
This is a very good sum which this student has given to me. All of you can understand wavy curve method very easily by this method. People, instead of writing C on the board, first step in wavy curve method is express in factor form. So we have to find domain and range. Suppose this girl is saying find domain and range. Range also, student?
Yes, sir.
Answer. So wavy curve method. So wavy curve method means what? But here not less than, okay, suppose, okay. So, but why wavy curve method here? Directly only we can do now. Here no need of wavy curve. It is not an inequality now, less than, equal to, greater than, it is not there. Directly we can do this sum without wavy curve also, like f of x is equal to x square minus 9. Now student, what is domain? One of you tell me what is domain.
R minus 3.
What is domain? Definition.
R minus 3.
Where the
Value
All
of
values of
x
values
for
of
which the function exists. Now if x is 3, this will become infinity. So domain will be all real number but not 3.
Sir, I have a doubt here, sir.
Is this
If-
right?
Yes, sir, but I have a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, if we factorize the numerator, you'll get x minus 3, x plus 3. So if you cancel it, then the domain of the function changes to all real numbers, right?
That's why now. So you don't, you are student are supposed to be find the domain as it is given. As it is given, that there only we have to find, because we cannot say like we factorize it. So if after factorization, what will happen? F of x is equal to, it will become x plus 3. Now x plus 3 has domain all real number. So we can say that we can say that we are getting wrong answer. So that is the reason we have to find the domain as it is given in the question. We cannot simplify and find the domain. Means we are changing the appearance of the question. So while domain we don't have to cancel, without that only we have to find. Like one small example is there. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is how much, student?
1.
And secant square theta minus tan square theta is how much?
1.
Both are 1. If you find the domain of the first one and find the domain of the second one, will you get same answer? No. In spite that both have same answer, both are not identical function. Both are not same function. So when we are going to study equal function, we will see that both are different, both are not equal function, but its value is 1, 1 only. See here domain will be different, here domain will be different. That's why it is advisable that how they have given in the question, in that way, that without simplification only we have to find domain. Tell me.
So then why don't we why do we simplify for finding range?
Okay, for range what happened? So now what I'm doing now, suppose how this student madam has done in the school for finding range. What they did, they wrote like this way: x square minus 3 square by x minus 3. So she may have done like this way: f of x y is equal to x minus 3 x plus 3 by x minus 3. Then they have cancelled this one. So y is equal to x plus 3. So all range is what? All real number. Range is R. Range is R.
So that's not the answer.
This is
It's
not the answer.
R minus 6.
R minus 6. Because what happened when we are not considering 3 in the domain? So when we put 3 here, what will happen? It will come 6. But since 3 is not considered in domain, we will never get 6. So the answer is telling correct only R minus 6, because we have not considered 3 in the domain. So its image also will not be there in the range. And now what is your doubt?
So my doubt is, why do we simplify it for finding range?
Range is okay now. domain only we are finding that which of the values of x are not permitted or not acceptable. So we wrote, that's why now that 3 is not acceptable. Now that is not playing role in this 3 is not playing in any way role in finding range. So but then also we have, while after simplification also we have taken care that when x is 3, that value we are not including in range. So range, it doesn't matter if you cancel. In domain only it matters. You can,
so for domain we should not simplify, and
not
for range
simplify
we
as
can
it is
simplify.
given, how the sum is given, that only we have to find domain. Range we can simplify. Then also you have to take precaution that whatever values of x you are not considering in domain, those images are not acceptable, because 3 is never there. How its image will be there?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So could
Other
you
students have doubt in this particular sum? Okay, other students don't have doubt. Shall I erase the board? Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Now one sum will do to understand Weyvikar method, like this sum, x square minus 1 by x less than 0. This sum was homework sum. I think I did also this sum, na? Did I not do this sum? No answers from your side. Are you there?
Yes, sir, you did last class.
Now by Weyvikar, how to do? Just remember Weyvikar method. We have to express in which form? Factor form. So numerator factor we will find. What is the factor of numerator? Tell me.
minus 1 and 1.
X minus 1, x plus 1 by x less than 0. So if
1 second, sir, which question are you doing?
It's a homework sum. I have already done on Monday. Roots are, what are the roots here?
-1 and 1.
1 and minus
And
1.
0.
And points of discontinuity means roots is not roots. No. Point of discontinuity?
0.
So 0 will not come in the answer. Continuity. So point of discontinuity 0. Now what is the next step? Mark all the points on number line. So -1, 0, 1. Now what is the next step? Take a point on the right side of extreme right number. 1 is there. Take any number bigger than this. Suppose I take 100. Put here 100 in the numerator. When you put 100 in the numerator, will you get a positive number or negative number?
Positive.
Positive means the curve will start from upward to downward, and it will pass through all the points. So it has gone down, then it has to come from here up, and then again down. Why? Because power is what? Odd or even?
Odd.
Odd means it will cross. Even means it will remain on the same side. Now tell me, we want the answer less than. When by the graph only we can understand.
So wait, I didn't understand the Weyvikar graph that you.
Sir, the graph.
With this girl didn't understood. So student, what you didn't understand?
The graph that you just did.
So can you tell what exactly point of discontinuity is?
If you put 0
you don't
here,
consider, okay.
So it will become infinity now. So denominator roots we are telling point of discontinuity.
So point of discontinuity is for almost all the functions you get.
Denominator.
Yeah, so 0 cannot be applicable for most of the functions which are in the fractional form, right?
That is there. What is doubt here? In this sum, what is your doubt?
No, I was just asking what point of discontinuity is.
Okay, we'll give more sums, then you will understand. But
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So suppose the other girl who has asked doubt, plot this point on number line, student. What is the problem? I don't know. Understand only. -1, 0, 1. So now what is your doubt? Tell.
The way you drew the graph.
Okay,
sir,
now what is your doubt? Not that. Here, what is your doubt?
Here, nothing.
Now
as of
take it. What notes I have given? Take a number more than 1. Take any number more than 1. Tell the number.
10.
10. Substitute 10 in the numerator.
Okay.
So will you get a positive number or negative number?
Positive.
If you get a positive number, if you get a positive number, start the curve. You have to draw a wave. Start the wave from upward to downward. Okay.
Okay.
So because positive number means upward to downward. If in case you got negative answer, so downward to upward you have to start. And the wave should pass through all the points. So that much only now. It will cross here. Then what happened? It will pass through here. How it will pass through here? It has to go up. Then it has to come down here.
This is only when the power is odd, right? That it passes through all the
Let
points.
this girl understand. So what happened now? Tell me. What is your doubt? If you say no doubt, then only you can proceed.
We can proceed, sir.
If you doubt means again I will teach. I'm not becoming angry. So it will pass through all the points. Now tell me, we want to find less than 0. Where is the curve less than 0? Means below x-axis. Below x-axis, where is the curve? In which interval?
0
So minus
to 1.
infinity to minus 1, the curve is below x-axis. Tell me, student, what is the answer then? Domain?
Sir, I didn't understand.
What you didn't understand?
So after you told like less than 0, after that I didn't understand.
We have to find, what is your name, student?
Risha.
Risha. So see here, actually it's very basic actually. You know how to read graph?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This graph is below x-axis, na student?
Yeah.
So it will, for these points, what will the points here?
Minus 2,
minus 2,
3.
minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, till where?
Minus infinity.
For these points, where is the curve? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Tell positive. Is it positive?
No.
Why negative?
It's below.
Below. So we also have to find a negative only, less than 0.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah,
less
I
than
got
0
it.
we have to find now.
So what if it was equal to 0? Less than or
Equal to 0
equal?
means don't do this way. That is different story, na student. Pay attention here. You're not understanding.
Okay, yeah. I understood this.
Less
now.
than 0 means below x-axis. If more than 0 means you take above x-axis. So less than 0. So in which interval it is less than 0?
Open interval minus
infinity to minus 1. If they say equal to here, less than equal to 0, then you put close bracket. Now open bracket. Which is the other interval in which below x-axis it is?
0 to,
so union 0 to union 0 to 1. This is the answer.
Okay.
Here also now, if this sum only greater than 0 means, here suppose greater than 0 means minus 1 to 0, 1 to infinity. It depends. Very simple method by which we can do the sum. Other people can also ask doubt.
Sir, in wavy curve method, we don't actually consider the real graph. We just consider.
This is only to do sum. This is not the actual graph. Only to do sums. Ask some other.
The normal,
just
the normal, this thing number line is much more easier, no?
Tell again, repeat.
So like using the normal number line is much more easier, no?
Number line only I drew now.
Okay.
You know other method to do this sum?
Sir, actually our teacher taught us, to divide the numbers between minus infinity
that
to
is lengthy
infinity.
method. I will teach that also if you say. Are you finding this method difficult?
So it is not lengthy, it is similar only.
It is very easy method, student. That method also is there. I will teach that method also if you say. It is very simple.
Yes, sir. Now only can you teach.
Now only I will teach. But tell me, are you finding this method very difficult?
No. So we will only know after you teach the other.
No, individually you say, is this method difficult? Just start from here and see where is positive, where is negative. In seconds you can do the sum now. I will teach that.
So
method.
if it's positive, it will go down, and if it's negative, it will go up, right?
I given the notes now.
Yeah.
Upward to downward, negative downward to upward.
Okay.
So could you once tell the answer when it's equal to and greater than 0?
It will be closed bracket. 1.
Okay. Have you completed this sum? Student, we are consuming too much time. One sum we can do in 1.5 hour. How we can proceed? I'll erase the board.
Could you just draw next to the number line so that we can compare?
Now what I should draw? I'm not understanding you.
The other number line, which
Not
our,
other number line, other
which
method
our
you are
teacher
saying.
taught. Yeah.
Other method you are saying. Not other number line. That is not number line method. That is other method. So now suppose second method, usually this method only you have to follow in boards or in school exam. They don't teach Weaver method. So I have taught you a method which is very simple, quickly you can do, but suppose other method. So here what are the point of roots and discontinuity? We say minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Then what you do?
0 is point of discontinuity.
It's okay, it's okay. So now minus 1, 0 and 1 you take. Okay. And what you do? Take a number more than like different intervals are there. One interval is from where to where, student? Tell me.
Minus infinity to minus 1.
Now what you do? You consider this individually. X minus 1 by X plus 1 by X. Consider this individually. Oh, that way only, na?
Yes, sir. That way only.
Substitute the value. That only the teacher is telling.
Yeah, so if we take any number between minus 1 to minus infinity.
So now take any number from minus infinity to minus 1. Take any number. Suppose I take minus 10. So if it is minus 10, I will take. Suppose any number you take, minus 10. Put here, what you will get? Minus 10 minus 1 minus 10 plus 1 by minus 10. So what you will get?
Positive.
Minus 11 into minus 9 by minus 10. You will get negative. We don't want answer, we want negative.
Oh,
here also they are asking what?
Negative.
So this is matching. This interval is matching. Which interval? Minus infinity to minus 1. So this will be part of our answer. Minus infinity to minus 1. Then take a number, any number from minus 1 to 0. Which number, student?
Sure, it'll be positive, no?
Negative into negative, positive. Denominator negative is not there.
Oh yeah.
So take any number from minus 1 to 0.
10.
Tell. Tell.
Sorry,
minus
This way you have to check. So what happened now? Minus 0.5 minus 1 minus 0.5 plus 1 minus 0.5. So what you will get? You will get minus 1.5 into 0.5 by minus 0.5. So our aim is positive or negative. We'll get a
positive.
But what we want? Less than 0. So this interval is not correct. Minus 1 to 0 is not correct. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then take a number from 0. Even this is easy now. Take a number from 0 to 1. This way you have to repeat the process. Have you understood or shall I do it?
Yes,
understood, sir.
Easy. This is also easy, na student. No problem. But then also, see, in the board exam and all, they want some working, so they prefer this method. Otherwise, just see how much time it takes. Like this way, draw. Now where it is negative, minus infinity to minus 1, 0 to 1, over. Negative means below x-axis. Ask some other doubt. Ask some other doubt. Ask doubt, student.
Sir, if it is equal to and greater than 0?
So we can do different sums. Usually for competitive, we use Weaver method because it is not time consuming. That's the reason. Directly we can draw a curve and suppose one more sum I will take. X square. Suppose here I will take my own sum. X minus 3 whole square, X minus 4, X minus 5 whole cube by X minus 1, X minus 2. Okay, this is the sum and it is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose this is the sum. So you have to find X. Tell me now what I should do. Nagarjun, tell me. Hello.
Sir, my name is Nagbhushan, sir. You can just call me Bhushan.
Nagbhushan.
Yes, sir.
I should tell you Bhushan.
Yes, sir. That would be enough.
Okay. Sorry, Bhushan. Now tell me what I should mark on the number line.
Sir, first we should take the roots and descent.
Okay. That way we can do, but orally also we can do now. What a point I should mark? 3,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will be not
Points of
considered. Not considered
discontinuity.
because that is point of discontinuity. Mark this point on the number line anywhere. Not anywhere accordingly. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next step?
To see the graph.
No graph.
The powers.
No. Take a number after 5. Any number you take.
So we won't see the powers and
Power later. Take a number more than 5.
6.
Not 6. Take 100 and put in the numerator. Only numerator. So we'll get a positive or negative. Only positive or negative.
Positive, sir.
Positive. That is why you take 6. Take 100. So now positive means the curve will start from upward to
5.
upward to what?
Downward.
Downward. So start. But what happened? So 5 has power odd or even?
Odd.
Odd means it will cross. So the curve will start from upward. It will cross. What about 4? 4 has power.
Odd. 1.
Odd.
Again it will cross. 3 has power.
2. It won't cross.
Even. So it will come here and again goes in the same side. 2 has power odd. So it will go like this way. Okay. This is the wavy curve. Only problem is at 3 because even power. Even power means it will remain on the same side. Now what happened? We want greater than equal to 0. Tell.
Why did 2 go down? That's also odd, right?
Power. Power.
Yeah. Okay. It's odd. Okay.
Power we have to see, not number. Now greater than equal to 0. So what is the answer? Where is the curve above x-axis? Greater than means above x-axis. What is the answer?
Minus infinity, comma 1.
One.
Close interval.
1 is close interval. 1 is the point of discontinuity. So which interval?
Open.
Open union. Where to where?
2 to 3.
2 is open or close?
Open.
3 is close. 3 is closed now.
Oh, yeah, sir. 2.
Equal to.
So from 2 to 4, it's lying on the
2 to 4.
positive.
2 to 4 only positive. Sorry, not 2 to 3. 2 to 4 entirely it is positive. 4 is open close bracket. Doubt is there?
No.
What is the next interval?
5 to
5 to
infinity.
See, so simple. In one step only we did the sum now. So that's why wavy curve is very helpful. Boys, do you have doubt in this sum, Bhushan?
So this was the range, right?
X value. Somebody says solve this equation. So X value.
So this was range or domain? Range.
Domain.
Domain. Okay.
X value means domain. Y value means range.
So range, wavy curve method cannot be used for finding range.
No, only domain.
Okay.
So now I think wavy curve is over now. So let's teach more sum on wavy curve.
So can you take more sums so that we get clear with this topic?
Now what is the doubt here in this sum?
There's no doubt, but so that we practice.
Do some sums on your own. Your madam may have given some sums. Try that sums. We'll go for the sums which I have given you in the beginning. 15 sums I gave. In those 15 sums, tell me which sum I should do now. I will do 5 sums. Any 5 you say. First sum, which one?
First 5.
First we'll do a simple one, then we'll go to.
Yes, sir.
So which one
which does not include log.
We don't know what simple is. So, sir, can you just do first 5?
Hey, tell me which sum I should do. Whatever sum you say, I'll do.
The first 5.
Sir, second and.
Very
Please
good.
do first 5. Can we go in order?
All sum I'm not going to do.
So
We'll do alternating, sir. We'll do like 1, 3.
I will do only any 5 you tell me which 5 I should do.
You will not do all sums?
All sums will take 2 weeks to do complete the sums only.
Even we can do 5 sums each day. So
which
3
one
days.
tell me fast?
Sir, we can do 12th one because there's no log.
12th one? Okay, 12th one I will do. 12th sum.
5th one.
Okay, 12th one, then 5th one.
There's no log.
12th log is very simple, student. F of x is equal to the square root x square minus mod x. All of you should know the range and domain of all the function. Now this is the sum. Shall I erase the wavy curve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now what we have to find? Domain. Now pay attention, student, you will not understand. If I say, which is this curve, student, which is this function, root x square minus mod x? People, you have to study a lot. This is root function,
Square root function.
root x. When root x is defined?
Greater than or equal to 0.
When x is more than or equal to 0. For every function which is taught, you have to remember domain and range. So root x is defined when the number inside the radical sign is more than or equal to 0. This means x square minus mod x should be greater than or equal to 0. Till here doubt is there? See, this is combination of how many functions? Two functions. Each function we have to consider separately. Okay, so here what is the, now what I should do, tell me? What I should do?
Find
X square is greater than or equal to mod x. Doubt is there?
No, sir.
No.
Now when is x square greater than mod x? For which x square is greater than or equal to mod x?
Sir,
It's
0, 1,
All x except 1 and minus 1.
Sir, 0, 1 and minus 1, sir.
Only there it is more.
Yes, sir.
X square.
Sir, equal to. I'm saying.
Equal.
Equal
Except
to.
is everywhere it's greater.
X belong, I think x belong, I can be wrong also, minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Student, take any number
Yes,
from
sir.
here to here. Will you not? Left hand side is more than right hand side. Have I written wrong?
no.
If you take a number between minus 1 and 1, that time mod x will be more than x. I think so. No, then also.
Sure.
It will be equal to x, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. So
Not
then again open bracket should be there, sir. Sir, but for the whole condition, it's correct only, sir.
So
Correct
isn't
only?
it all
I have
all
written
real
something
numbers?
wrong here. All real
Sir.
number x square is more than mod x.
Sir,
Suppose I
no.
take x is 0.5. Who is greater than 0.5? You take. What is left hand side?
Yeah.
0.0.
What is right hand side? Is this correct?
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Correct or
No,
wrong?
no.
So it's
it's
not
wrong.
correct. Yeah.
I think
meant
what I
that.
wrote, that is correct only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This means this inequality is satisfied when x belong minus infinity to minus 1, because equal to is there. Union 1 to infinity. This is correct. Doubt is there, student?
Sir, union 0.
Minus
0 also, zero also, student. 0 also it is correct only. I didn't took 0. So union 0.
Sir, why is
Why?
minus infinity in
Close
close
bracket.
interval?
So close bracket means I did a mistake. Okay. Now 0 also, this boy is very sharp. 0 is also considered. Correct, na? Doubt is there?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now this is second function. Second function considered here. 1 by, so here I will write 1 by square root 9 minus x square. When is, okay, here also. When is root x defined, student?
When
9
it's
Then
minus
equal to
x
0.
square should be greater than?
Zero.
Equal to
Cannot be equal to 0.
Equal to
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
student.
Yeah.
It should be equal to or not?
No.
No, it is
Denominator
only
na.
greater than.
So now wavy curve. Shall we draw wavy curve? How to draw? Multiply with minus 1. So what happened? X square minus 9. Tell fast. X square minus 9 what, student?
Less
Zero.
than
Lesser
0.
than 0.
Less
Less
than
than-
0. What are the roots here? Roots what, student?
Plus minus.
So shall I draw wavy curve now here?
Yeah.
I'll draw
Yes,
wavy
sir.
curve. Help me. Help me, wavy curve. Can you see the board? Cannot see the board?
So we can.
Can. Very good. Wavy curve. How many roots? Here minus 3, here 3. Now take a number more than 3. Take 100. It is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive means upward to downward. Is this correct? Is this correct curve?
Yes, sir.
So what is the interval which we want? Less than 0.
Minus 3 to 3.
Tell fast. X belong minus 3 to 3.
Open it.
This is one answer. This is second answer. What is the final answer then?
Intersection.
The intersection. Do you remember one day I taught you?
Sir, we don't need to even do that, sir.
Do you remember one day I taught you when two functions are multiply or divide or subtracted or addition, we have to take intersection. The last day I taught when I was teaching NCERT. Remember or not remember?
Yes, sir.
So intersection, what is the common thing in this? Shall I draw a number line and teach you what is common, or you
Sir,
can do orally
already it's
also?
there, sir.
Can you do orally what is common?
Sir, it's already
Minus
given in that.
minus
list.
1.
Minus 3 2. Answer is minus 3 2 minus 1 union 0 union 1 2 3. This is the answer. Copy down, then I will teach you more how this answer has come. Common we have to see. Not sincerely tell me who has doubt. Don't worry about me. Sometimes I speak little louder, but don't worry. You ask more doubt. You irritate me more.
Sir,
No? Tell me common.
the
So,
thing common here is the answer, that is domain.
Intersection. Intersection between these two is the answer. Where both are true. Some girl is saying something.
In case, sir,
I'm listening. Tell.
we want in terms of wavy curve, then we can do like intersect both the graphs and find it.
But
Like
here,
both
here
the
there is no
curves
wavy curve now. In the
in
first
a
case,
common
no wavy
graph.
curve. There only wavy curve is there now. Both you have
In
to handle
case for
separately.
other cases, sir, like
Other cases, then also handle separately, only student. Handle separately and then find the common. If some students are finding difficulty in taking intersection, then I will teach them. See here, pay attention. Draw number line. What is the point here? Minus 1. Minus 1. What is the other root? 1. What is the other thing? 0. What is the other thing? Minus 3. Girls, pay attention. What is 3 here? Now, where is the answer here? Minus infinity to minus 1. Draw this. This is the answer. Minus infinity to minus 1. Where is the answer? 1 to infinity. This is the answer. Okay. In the first case. Second case, where is the answer? Minus 3 to 3. This is the answer. Now, what is common in these lines? Common in this line is, see, this area is common now. Like minus 1 to infinity. And here minus 3 to 3. What is common? Minus 3 to minus 1. See, this area is common. Can you make it out, girls?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 to minus 1. And what is common? Here also common is there. 1 to 3. And 0 is there. Because 0 comes minus 3 to 3. That also. Very simple number line. You can find the intersection. Minus 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Minus 3 to 3. See what is common. This area is common in both. Next sum which I should do. Tell the next sum.
Fifth one.
Any sum you tell, I will do.
Fifth question, sir.
Fifth question I will do. Fifth is trigonometry now. You should know that one. Okay. Fifth sum, copy down. Fifth sum. F
Sir,
of
not the trigonometry one. Sir,
which one? Read out.
The question is f of x is equal to under root of x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. That question.
Okay, understood. F of x is equal to square root x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus square root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. This is the question. Its answer is null set. Null set is the answer. Why null set? I will tell you why. See student, here also two functions are there. Both function domain you find separately and then take intersection. In first case student, what should be, what are the, in the first case by wavy curve, what we got? X minus 2, x plus 2 should be what, student? Tell me.
Greater than or equal to
Greater than
equal to 0. Draw wavy curve. What is the root? 2 is the root. What is point of discontinuity?
minus 2.
In the numerator, put a number more than 2. We will get positive or negative.
Positive.
Positive and numerator only put. So, is this wavy curve correct?
Yes, sir.
So greater than equal to 0. When it is greater than equal to 0? When is the curve above x-axis?
Minus infinity to
Minus 2. Minus 2 is considered or not?
No, it's
No.
not.
Union?
It is. Why not?
A denominator
Point
now.
of discontinuity.
Denominator,
Oh,
how we
yeah,
consider
yeah.
minus
Okay,
2?
okay.
2 is considered. 2 to infinity. Okay, this is the first. Second one, 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Tell me, root is what? Root is what?
1
minus 1.
and
1 minus 1.
minus 1.
So 1, it may be wrong also. 1 minus 1. It can be, some mistake can be there, student. So now what happened? 1 minus x by 1 plus x should be greater than equal to 0. But usually in wavy curve, what happens, student? Is it x minus alpha or alpha minus x in wavy curve?
So x minus alpha.
But here it is alpha minus x now. So multiply with minus 1 both sides.
Yes, sir.
So what you will get? X minus 1 by, it will become like this way. Doubt is there. But put in standard form, wavy curve, x minus alpha, x minus beta. Here it is given 1 minus x. Problem is there. Now tell me, what is the root?
Sir,
Huh?
what about the denominator?
Huh, what is the root? That all hey, if you multiply a rational number, will you multiply numerator and denominator both? Huh?
Sir, he thought that way, but we are multiplying both sides.
Multiply with minus 1 left hand side and right hand side. Hello?
Both sides, only numerator.
Both sides.
Both sides. So we don't multiply numerator and denominator. Only one. Is this correct or wrong?
That's correct.
The boy who's asking that, have you understood? Tell me, child. I will teach you.
Understood, sir.
Don't
Just
multiply
check
denominator.
on
Only numerator now. Why? Who will multiply both up and down? What is the root?
1 and
Minus 1. So now take a number more than 1. So again positive. So now less than equal to 0 means what?
Minus 1 to
minus 1 to 1. Minus 1
minus
open
1
bracket.
and open.
Now what is common between these two? Anything is common?
Nothing is common.
Nothing is common. So null set answer because intersection common. Nothing is common. Doubt is there, student? People ask some doubts so that I can be satisfied with the teaching. Bhushan, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
And what you say about wavy curve is very easy method. Pratik?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding something?
Yes, sir.
Please ask some doubt if you have. Girls, can you understand intersection is null set? Girls. Tell the next sum which I should do.
Sir,
15th one.
sir, as the domain for this is null set, so range also will be null set.
Wait, don't wrap, don't wrap.
Null set, obviously null set now. Nothing you can put, then what image you will get? Which sum you people have told me?
15th one, sir.
Shall I do one sum of log? A log, don't run away. It is easy only log.
Sir, the 11th one. 11th log sum.
11th I will do. Shall I do first one log?
Yes, sir.
First I will do. First log. F of x is equal to 1 by other sum you people have to try till tomorrow. And I'll attend few more doubts and then I will go for range. This is the first sum. After first sum, I will do 11th sum. Then I will back up. Now tell me for this function, answer. For square root x plus 2, what is the domain x plus 2? Hey, when square root x plus 2 is defined?
When x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0.
Very good. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. This is over. Now next one. Next one is what? 1 by log base 10 1 minus x. And the other day I taught you now when log is defined. If I say log x to base a, what is the condition for log to be defined? X should be, what is the condition on x?
Positive.
X should be more than 0. What is the condition on a? A should be?
Mod of x should be positive. So
X should be positive, that much only. What should be a?
Greater than 1.
Greater
A
than
should be
1.
greater than 0 and A should not be equal to 1. A should be more than 0 and A should not be equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Now put this condition here. What I want now? 1 minus x should be in the place of
Greater
x
than
what?
0.
Greater than 0. So minus x should be greater than
-1.
-1.
So x multiply with -1. What will get? X less than
1.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is A here in
So
the
one
sum?
second, could you explain again
Which one?
from the log part?
Have you understood the left hand side log x to base A?
Sir, also we say that x is not equal.
This girl has doubt. Let me clarify that now. Student, have you understood this log x to base A? See, log is taught to you, not entirely, but this property is taught now when log x is defined. Now it is your...
Sir?
Hello?
So Justice can leave and rejoin.
Why you're leaving?
But she could not hear you. I think
Voice
your voice
is
was
breaking, sir. Yeah.
She asked out, she's only leaving.
She will
No,
join
sir.
back. She will join back. She asked you to wait for her.
I should wait, okay.
Yes, am I audible now?
You are audible, and am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, I can hear you now.
Tell me, student, when is log x to base A defined? Log function is taught to you. Now it is your work to remember the domain and range. Log x to base A is defined when x is more than 0 and the base A should be more than 0 and A is not equal to 1. The other day also I taught this while doing sum. Based on this concept, in the place of x, what is written in the quotient?
1 minus x.
1 minus x is written. In the place of x, what is written? Whose log we are finding?
1 minus x.
1 minus x. So 1 minus x should be more than 0. So now take 1 on the other side. Minus x should be more than -1. Multiply with -1. X should be less than 1. So this we got x less than 1. What doubt you have? Tell me something. Doubt, no doubt, more doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Now tell me, I'll teach you. See, you have to remember this condition, log, domain, range, condition. You have to remember now what I can do. Last week only I taught log. Now, what is the base in the quotient? Log base.
So
10.
10 is obviously more than 0 and 10 is not equal to 1. That is not a problem. But is the function given is logarithmic or something else?
Sir, it is
reciprocal function 1 by x. When is 1 by x defined? When the denominator is?
X is not equal to 0.
This means this denominator should not be equal to
0.
0. Even that we have to see. Log base 10 1 minus x should not be equal to 0. Now use the definition of log. Where this 10 will go? 10 where it will go?
The right side.
What is your right?
Log 1 minus x.
No. 1 minus x is not equal to 10 to power 0. Can you make it out how I wrote? Definition of log.
Yeah.
Now 1 minus x should not be equal to 10 to power 0. How much?
1.
1. So minus x should not be equal to 0. X should not be equal to 0. This all we have to combine. Everywhere we have to take intersection. X should be more than equal to -2. X should be more than equal to -2. X should be less than 1 and x should not be equal to 0. Combine this and take the intersection and tell me what should be x. X should be, x belong more than -2 means what, student?
The closed -2 comma 0.
And less than 1 means what? And 0 should not be there. -0. This is the answer. Is this answer correct? Correct. You can draw number line to understand. I will draw number line for you people. Copy down. Very simple sum, not difficult. Don't run away from log. It is easy only. See number line.
No. I'm very sorry. I didn't understand that part where you got x greater than 0 on the left side.
Now, what is the definition of log? Tell me something about log. What do you know about log?
Log x to the base a equal to
See,
b. So
I
then,
have at least 10 times I have taught you a to power x is equal to y.
so that I understood,
That
general
only I'm
thing.
teaching here, sir. That only. That is
Not that, sir. The
Then?
one on the left side.
Here.
Sir, left side.
Here.
No,
On the
the other
extreme
side.
left.
Here.
No.
Here.
Extreme left.
Yeah.
This one.
So you got the x is greater than 0, right? In the
Huh.
second step.
Huh.
I didn't understand that.
What is the domain of log? Tell me. What is domain of log? Just see your notes and tell me what is domain, what domain I have given you. See the notes and tell me what is domain of log. Are you going through your notes?
Yes, sir.
What domain I have given you?
Oh, okay, I'm getting very confused right now.
You have to study more. That's why you'll understand. What domain I have given? Just to tell that. Not given domain. Not able to find domain. That place where
Sir, you have given one identity, right? Where log 1 to the base a is equal to 0.
Domain I never gave you.
Sir, that I don't know. I mean, I didn't attend that class, and
So domain
I'm
means
not
X
sure if the
value.
notes are right.
So you have to complete your notes. Domain means X value. For log
I've
is
written, sir, but I mean, okay.
okay.
You
Log is
continue.
only defined for positive real number. So that's why X is more than 0. Log is only defined for positive real number. And for base, this is the condition of log. If you have not written earlier, you can write now at least. Log is only defined for positive real number. Log of negative real number we cannot find.
Yes, I've written that.
So that only I wrote now. X is more than 0.
Okay.
That only I wrote now. X is log of a number. Log of a number is only defined for positive real number. So X should be more than 0. What is the condition on base? Base should be more than 0. Base should not be equal to 1. That only we are using here now. See, first it is detail, it is taught.
Oh, okay, I understood now. Sorry,
The
sir. I
domain
got
and
it.
range of each and everything is taught. Now that knowledge we have to use here. X should be more than 0. So what is X here? Here it was X, but in the
Yes,
question
sir,
it is 1 minus
I got
X.
it. I got confused. Sorry.
Okay.
I got it.
So shall I erase the board, students?
Yes, sir.
Shall I do one more sum? Tell me which one? Last sum. 11th, na? Hello. How many people?
Yes, sir. Yes, 11th.
11th sum I will do. Then I will show less people, 14 people only.
Sir, after that, could you do the 8th one?
8th one tomorrow. You try. 8th one is easy. 11th one I will do. And then I will dismiss the class. F of x square root log. People, you have to revise what I'm teaching. Otherwise, it is very difficult. X square minus 1. This is the question. Now, again, same property. Same properties of log we will use. Tell me, what is the first condition on this one?
Greater than or equal to 0.
This part should be x by x square minus 1 should be.
So the whole log should be greater than or equal to 0, right?
That also there, but even what is with log, that also should be more than 0 now.
Okay, yeah.
If I say square root log x, so x should be more than 0. Even log x should be more than 0. Two parts are there now.
Yeah.
So x by x square minus 1 should be more than
0.
Again use wavy curve. X by, tell me.
Yes, sir. The thing was that in the previous one where I was in understanding, I thought you're using some identity.
No,
so that is what I didn't realize earlier.
Okay,
After that,
no
I got
problem. X by x square minus, so wavy curve, what are the roots and point of discontinuity? 0, minus 1, 1. So now I should draw a curve from upward to downward. And it should pass from all the points. So this is the curve. I want more than 0. When is the curve more than 0? Tell me. More than 0
From
means
minus 1 to 0.
Minus 1 to 0 union what?
1 to infinity.
1 to infinity. This is one part of the answer. Second part is what? The term inside the radical sign as whole, it should be more than 0. Means the entire term inside the radical sign should be more than equal to 0. Correct? Now root x. When is root x defined? When x is more than equal to 0. So now what will happen to this 1 by 2?
0.
I'll teach you tomorrow, but now you remember. 1 by 2 definition of log. What is you write?
0 to the power 1.
0 to
X
1
power 1 by
power
2.
0, but I'll teach you tomorrow. This inequality will change. Okay, I'll teach you tomorrow why it will change. Now no time. So this inequality will change. Now what will happen? X by x square minus 1 less than equal to 1 by 2 to power 0 what?
1.
1. Take 1 on the left side. So what it becomes? Take 1 on the left side minus, don't cross multiply. Doubt is there?
No, sir.
We have to take now LCM. What is the LCM now?
Sir, could you slow down a bit?
From where you didn't understood? 1.
No. Could you do a bit slower?
Okay. Now where is your
Where
doubt?
we get to analyze what you're writing.
Okay.
So,
Speak out. Tell student.
Sir, can you explain this part? My internet was breaking this time, so I couldn't hear you.
Like previous sum only na. 1 by 2 to power 0. 1 by 2 will go this side. See, the number inside the root sign has to be positive now. So log x by x square minus 1 to base 1 by 2 should be more than equal to 0. Who has doubt till here?
No doubt, sir.
Now where this 1 by 2 will go? 1 by 2 to power 0 will become or not become? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Only the sign of inequality will change. Why it will change, I will tell you tomorrow because now no time. So same thing I wrote. 1 by 2 to power 0 is 1. 1 will go on the left side. We will get x by x square minus 1 minus 1. Take LCM. What is the LCM now? LCM how much?
Minus x square plus 1.
X square minus 1. X minus x square
Plus 1.
less than equal to 0. Okay. So multiply with minus 1 on both sides. So what will become? X square minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. X
will it
plus...
not become minus 1?
Huh?
Sign will change, no?
I didn't wrote sign only now. Copy down this much. Copy down.
Sir, why did the sign change over there?
That I'll teach tomorrow. 3 times I told you.
No, so the left side, you just changed.
Multiply with
Sir, won't it be x square minus x minus 1?
Huh.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling.
Okay, sorry. I thought this you are saying. Here I multiply with minus 1. That's why sign will change. Multiply with minus 1, sign will change.
Yes, so that was my doubt. I got it.
Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
No, sir, 1 minute.
What are the roots in numerator?
Sir,
Find the root by...
Can we go?
Hey, don't want to study this one?
So continue.
Tell the roots of the numerator. This boy who want to go. Tell the root of numerator, student. Roots. Tell the roots of numerator. Nobody knows. Formula method, student.
Isn't it plus 1 minus 1?
Formula method.
That is for the denominator.
Formula method we have to do. What is the formula method? Bhushan, you're not there.
Minus b plus
Well, minus 2x. No, not minus 2x.
Tell the roots. Minus b plus minus b square
root
minus 4ac by 2a. These are the roots. Correct?
Yeah.
We can't
Yes,
split the
sir.
term.
Now number line. What are the roots? One denominator -1, 1. Here what I should write? 1 plus root 5 by 2. What is the next one? 1 minus root 5 by
1
2.
minus root 5 by 2.
So I think it will come here. 1 minus root 5 by 2. We have to check. Then the curve will be.
Sir, root
It's
5 is
1.
greater than 0, greater than 2, sir.
Huh? By 2 also there na.
Okay, yes, sir. So it will lie between that only.
Girl is saying something. Girls, you tell.
Nothing. Yeah, I got it right.
So now what we want? Less than 0, greater than 0. Where is greater than 0? Hey, where is greater than 0?
1 minus root 5 by 2.
Very
So
bad.
1.
Greater than 0, I'm telling, not less than 0. Greater than 0 means what? Above x-axis.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Minus infinity.
Minus
to
infinity
-1.
to -1 equal to 0 means union. Then
Union 1 minus
root 5 by
root 5.
2 to 1. Somewhere some mistake is there, I think. Union 1 plus root 5 by 2 to infinity. This is the answer. You have to take intersection now. Take the intersection. Copy down at least. I'll see the answer. Copy down at least.
Sir, how did you plot the curve? Because
wrong curve.
We can't decide the exponent is odd or even, right?
All are?
Sir, the exponent, we can't say it's odd or even, right? So how did you plot the curve?
A power is 1 only, boy.
For the numerator,
The
how do we
whole
know
power
what is
is-
the power?
Sir, the whole power is 1 only, sir.
Power is 1 only, na? Bhushan?
Yes, sir, the whole one.
Then what? Power is 1 only. Okay, so are we getting answer or not? Can you find intersection yourself? People, have you learned how to find intersection or not?
Yes, sir.
How many? 13 people became. I think maths you're not understanding, most of you.
Sir, it's 8:42.
So we'll pack up now. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Try to find intersection. We can do it. You can do
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Could you like help out in the last part of the sum tomorrow again, like the wave part?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye,
So
sir.
you also, bye. You also train a student.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Like
sir.
previous sum only, na wavy curve like this match only. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.